So here I go again. I'm once again doing the El Camino Santiago de Compostela. The year before, in 2014, I only completed the last 300 plus kilometers of the whole journey. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, one day I will be able to complete the whole pilgrimage from St. John Pied de Port, France, up to Santiago de Compostela, Spain. Happy Easter! Lloyd, Happy Easter! Woo! Ikaw, Lloyd, ano expectations mo?
Sana matapos namin ito.
Happy Easter, bro! So today is our free day. It's Easter Sunday here. We're just waiting for the Mass. Easter Sunday Mass. While doing it, we're touring the small, quaint town of St. John Pied de Port. Inumpisahan namin ni Paul at saka ni Cloyd aming pilgrimage on an Easter Sunday. And naisip namin, one of the best ways to spend our Easter Sunday is through El Camino Santiago de Compostela.
Happy Easter!
Oo nga naman. Ba't di natin pinong-spin to? Yan ang marker.
Okay. Europa, Compostela.
Buen Camino. Pilgrim's office. We're gonna get our passport here. We're here to get the... Yes. We want to get the pilgrim's passport.
We have it. Please sit down. I'll give you some information. What country are you from?
From the Philippines.
Philippines. Okay.
So, eto na, paparegister na kami. It's important you have yourself registered para alam nila na nandoon kayo for the pilgrimage. And in case magkaroon ng emergency, they will know how to contact you and they will know how to coordinate with you. Very organized yung El Camino. Kasi napakadaming volunteers along the way. And merong brotherhood yan, merong sisterhood yan, merong mga samahan who have helped millions of pilgrims for thousands of years.
So you must plan where you want to stay. Sometimes it rains and you must think, hey, the next one is 5 kilometers. Is it open? And it's 183 places at Roncesvalles, so there's always place. You can stay there, but this is 6 hours.
So, what's the highest elevation in this?
1,000 meters.
Okay.
The other one is 1,400 and more difficult.
Okay.
There's also an atlas, a very important piece of history that mentions this also, that there were 3 passages through the Pyrenees, and this was mentioned of Valcarlos, was already mentioned then.
Ito na, pare.
So, complete.
Pare yung mga gagandang boots, oh.
Oh, pero ano yun? Matigas.
Pare kailangan matigas, eh.
Importante pa bro, yung cradle.
Oh.
Yung technology ng North Face na rigid siya, pero pag maapakan mo yung bato, a-absorb niya yung
Pare,
Pero
kung ako sa
madadala
inyo,
ba to?
bilhin nyo yung Meshax.
Hindi, gusto ko yung black diamond.
Guys.
Oo, okay na yan.
Pwede na talaga din.
Okay na yan, tsaka pwede yan.
Oh. Pwede na to?
Pwede yan.
Maliit
Yan yun.
lang?
Actually,
Okay yan bro kasi pwede mo gawing keychain. Pwede sa aeroplano yan.
Bawal sa plane.
Ako hindi ko ininom.
No, this one is special.
Yes, but it's too big.
Better. I know.
Swiss challenge yan.
Swiss Army knife. Only this one.
With Camino logo.
Very good.
Ready na kayo?
Ready na?
All?
Let's go boys.
You ready?
Meron nang naglalakad.
Meron?
Oo, meron na kanina.
Morning. Pwede ka na, bro? Fight!
Safe. Be safe.
Buen camino.
Ayun kami.
Here we go, boys. Buen camino.
Buen camino.
So officially, dito kami nag-start sa Saint Jean Pied de Port in France. Imagine sa France kami magsa-start and we will end up in the westernmost part of Spain. Ganon kahaba yun. We've been walking for a few minutes now. Kaya ba? Ang ganda ng unang umaga na sumalubog sa amin. And itong dalawang kasama ko, si Paul at si Cloyd, naengganyo kaagad sila. Pero hindi pa nila nare-realize kung gaano kahirap tong pinasok nila. Umpisa pa lang ng aming adventure. Umpisa pa lang ng aming pilgrimage. Long road.
Every hour, take 5 times.
Ano Paul? Kumusta? Kaya?
Balik na tayo. Pwede, bukas ulit.
4 kilometers pa lang tayo. Cloyd, kumusta?
Okay lang.
Ayos?
Gusto ka na umuwi?
The road to Santiago is long and perilous. Give us strength, O Lord. We just crossed the border, the French and Spanish border, and we're walking through the Pyrenees Mountains. Through it, not on it. We're taking the Valcarlos route. What's up, Paul? "15 kilometers to go to Roncesvalles."
Name's Clyde. Nina.
Alfred.
Alfred. Nice to meet you.
This is our boss. We're sa patigil.
Ah, I see.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Friends from South Korea. Say hi. Yes. You're part of our movie now.
Wow.
Now 8.5 kilometers away from our next destination. It's been tiring. At this point, medyo obvious naman, nakikita ninyo, pagod na si Paul tsaka si Cloyd. Medyo nagsisink in na sa kanila kung gaano kahirap and challenging itong adventure namin. Hi, Paul. Lapit na? Woo! Konti na lang, last stretch.
Bro, bakit nga natin ulit ginagawa to? Please remind me.
Sabi niya, gusto nang sumama eh.
Bilib ako sa willpower ni Paul tsaka ni Cloyd. And they made it.
I'm on top of the world. Yes.
Yung pinakamahirap na part of the first day, natapos na namin at this point.
It's the highest point so far. Paul! We're almost there. Bye, Roncesvalles. Oh, 21 lang bro. Pababa lahat. Konti lang pataas. Pababa lang. Ayos.
Oh, pare, sumunod na sa'yo.
Sunod na.
Come.
Grabe ka, ayos. Kita ko bro. Paul! Nice one, bro!
Bilang mo rin ako, Cloyd.
Another one? Another one? Another one. 3. 2. Good.
Tres.
Tres.
3. You have 3 of this? 3. Uno on me.
Uno.
For me.
Pwede?
Estamos haciendo otras.
3.
Estamos haciendo más.
Yes.
Ha?
Magagawa pa daw.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay.
Bar Juan.
Gracias.
Okay. Gracias.
Yes.
Cute nila, ano? Like I said before, if you really want to get to know Spain, if you really want to experience its culture, for me, the best way to travel Spain and the cheapest way and the most experiential way to travel Spain is through the El Camino Santiago de Compostela.
Now in Zubiri. Bye-bye, Zubiri. We're now going to Pamplona. Where you can see we're getting ready. Paul, are you ready? Yes. Floyd? Always ready. Let's go. Ang giniginaw? Going to Pamplona today. Ilang kilometers? 20 lang. Now arriving in Larazuana. Buen camino.
Yung malaki kinuha mo.
Oo.
Pare, sulit siya.
Pablo! Wait. 1, 2.
Nangyari sa'yo? Ha?
Kumaliwa ka? Imbis na kumanan dun sa may wooden door.
Dapat i-off ang cellphone boss.
This is our friend, Jose.
Oh,
This is Pablo.
Pablo.
Pablo, Jose.
Oh, just like Picasso.
Hello, Jose.
Hello. Aquí, papeo, puertas.
Well, order ka ng bacon.
Nagdali-dali ako, kailan po
Kaya ka na una, bro, kasi kumaliwa siya.
Ilang minutes ka?
Ako? Mga oras, 1 hour na ako dito naghintay.
Alright, where are we, Paul?
We are inside the canal.
We are the light at the end of the tunnel.
We need some potatoes.
The light is so far. Woo! Go!
Almost there.
Hello.
Buenas.
Hola.
Hola, buen camino.
Gracias. Buen camino.
Are you from the States?
Yes, I am.
Where? Which state?
Arizona.
Oh, Arizona.
You?
Philippines.
Huh?
Philippines.
Philippines. Oh, very good.
Well, buen camino.
Buen camino, yes.
Safe travel. This is our friend from Germany. His name is Philip.
Nice to meet you. Greetings.
Buen camino.
Buen camino. This is some energy.
Ah, perfect.
It's
exactly what I need.
It's a little bit
Protein.
but still good. It's still good.
Thank you.
You
I
will
would be
enjoy
glad
it.
to accept it.
So I'm in a jazz choir in Cologne. You know, singing.
Okay, good.
And when there was the hurricane, was it hurricane?
Yolanda.
Yeah. Haiyan.
Haiyan? The
Haiyan.
hurricane? Or,
Yeah.
no, not
Haiyan.
hurricane, but
Yeah, the
Typhoon.
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 I decided to get together and in the city center of Cologne and sing
great.
and to collect
Wow.
some money.
Thank you.
And therefore,
That
and
goes,
we donate to Philippines. Buenos dias, carnal.
My friend.
Mr. Blister. See what happened to me, man. See, I
Very nice backpack.
see that. I got a present, man. I quit yesterday, man. I destroyed my cigarettes.
Okay.
And then today I was
I'm
walking-
sorry.
No, it's not your fault. I had a smoke before, but I was
Okay.
rushing from town to town just to buy cigarettes. Like, is this the whole deal that you want to have cigarettes?
Welcome to Pamplona. Hi guys.
Made it. Buen camino, my friend.
We're now entering the whole city. The whole town. Ang ganda ng Pamplona. May na-feel akong vibe na cozy, quaint, friendly. Malamig that day pero I felt the warmth of the people. Tapos at one point, nag-ano kami rito nag-gelato kami, ang sarap. And siguro isa sa mga magagandang experiences during the Camino, yung nakikita mo yung mga magagandang cities, yung mga magagandang towns ng Spain. Pamplona is one of my favorite Spanish cities. This is Jen. It's a video. Say hi. Welcome to the Camino.
Hola.
It's your friend from Canada. Say hi.
Hi.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Sachiko.
Okay. And this is Frederick, right?
Hello.
From Denmark.
From Denmark.
Yay!
And we're from Philippines.
Remember those two guys?
We got your back, boss.
Okay, hi Paul!
Hi.
I'm Liam Brady and I am from Ireland.
From Ireland.
And I'm here for the crack. Sorry. Go ahead.
Can I say something?
Yes.
I'm Shalini and I'm from Sri Lanka.
Okay. Again, yeah, we have to do the rounds.
Sachiko, Canada.
Okay.
I'm Jenny from the blog. Oh no, from Hungary.
Paul, I'm here as your bodyguard.
I'm going from Philippines.
Welcome to Denmark, yeah.
And that, my friends, is the Miss Universe beauty pageant.
Baka may guitarist dyan.
Pare, gusto mo tikman? Wine yung lumalabas eh. Wine from the faucet.
So, is it gonna power you up?
Beautiful water.
What's better, the water or the wine?
Is the wine any good?
It's very nice at 9:30 in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, boy!
Muy bien, muy bien. Baka malasing na ako nito ah.
Okay, sign. Leave mo ba? Okay, sir.
Talagang connoisseur. Wine connoisseur ah.
Picture, picture mo na. Hola. Muy bien. Uy, tama na.
Kumusta?
Gamay na may alcohol.
Okay naman. Sarap naman.
Hindi mo siya fermented.
Kumbaga parang fresh grape juice pa lang ganun ha.
Hindi rin. Tapos na siya yung process pero parang hindi na age pa. Pero masarap pa.
Di masarap ha, mga pangano mo na.
Pra cá, olha pra cá, viu? Enche aí, olha pra cá. Aê!
Hola.
Naalala ko yung part na to, pagod na pagod ako. Sobrang bumibigat yung backpack ko, sumasakit na ulit yung paa ko. Natatakot ako magka-blisters ulit. Pero for some reason, nitong buong trip na to, hindi na ako nagka-blisters. Siguro dahil nasanay na rin yung paa ko from the year before. Usually, every 5 to 6 kilometers, we take a break. So, meron namang town na nando doon. Tapos, masarap yung pagkain, sarap yung merienda, sarap yung refreshments. And during that kind of process, nakikita mo yung town, nakikita mo yung galaw ng mga tao, naririnig mo yung language nila, yung mga nakikita ka, nagsasayaw on the street, yung mga nakikita, mga nag-uusap, nagtatakbuhan ng mga bata, naglalaro. Lalo kang na-immerse sa culture nila.
You are gonna love this sign, Paul. It says 20 kilometers to Logroño.
Malaki yung appreciation ko sa mga times na nakakapaglakad ako mag-isa during this pilgrimage, during this journey. Kasi mahirap to gawin sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko to nagagawa kasi walang opportunity. Nag-hike ako from time to time, pero sa mga bundok yon. Pero dito, iba pa rin yung experience.
Hi. We just left Logroño. We're gonna go to Nájera today. 29 kilometers.
39.
It's a beautiful, is it a man-made lake? No, probably. Hi, Annabelle. How's the Camino so far?
Yes, I hope so.
Okay. And of course,
I talked to you already.
yes, the leader of the group, the Camino expert.
Did you already shoot video before?
Yeah, before in the last trip.
Oh, you did on your last
Gonna compile everything into one document and. Buenas. Now leaving Nájera. Yesterday was one of my least favorite days. I'm now going to Santo Domingo, La Calzada. Just passing through a hill. Rural Spanish. Rural Spain.
Merong mga times, pag titingnan mo yung horizon, you will always feel na never ending yung paglalakbay mo. Na hindi ka matatapos. That the road will never end. Another important thing that I learned in the Camino is that kahit gaano pa kalayo ang lalakbayin mo, mararating at mararating mo lang yan basta tuloy-tuloy ka lang. And you take it one step at a time.
We're now going to Belorado. It's like 24 kilometers.
23.8.
So she's fishing, huh? And everybody's here. All right. Hi.
What did you do? Why is my foot very You cut?
Because we tried to fish something in the river, the bridge. Just fish a rock.
It's very relaxing to watch Nesca.
Fishing?
No, just walking.
Walking.
Napakalaga ng moment na to sa akin, nitong Camino na ito. Kasi nung high school ako, when I watched Dead Poet Society, yun yung motto nila dyan, Carpe Diem, seize the day. Diba? Parang, don't waste an opportunity in life. Diba? To see this kind of sign na Carpe Diem along the Camino, talagang sumapul sa akin. Kasi, it reminded me to have fun again, to take chances, to take risks, and be brave in my decisions. I finally arrived in Burgos. So, dito na nagtatapos ang aking El Camino for this segment. Ang laki ng pagkakaiba ng experience ko na to from my first Camino. This one is more fun. The first one was more spiritual. And the first one was more solitary. Pero itong Camino na to, masaya siya in a sense na mas marami akong taong na-meet. Tapos kasama ko yung pinsan ko na parang kapatid ko na rin. Kasama ko si Cloyd. And we really enjoyed it. The experience, the culture, the food, and the whole journey itself. Sa dami ng mga nadaanan kong simbahan, in-apply ko yung ginagawa natin dito sa Pilipinas. Na tuwing papasok ka sa isang simbahan for the first time, you can make a wish. At ginagawa ko palagi yun. And so far, lahat ng hiningi ko sa Panginoon, nagkatotoo.